जमातियों का। वाथुलिंग विलेज है मैडम के जमातिया का पिताजी का जन्मभूमि और उनकी जन्मभूमि भी है। यहाँ पर ही वो लोग ने अपना बचपन बिताया था। तो ऐसे शुभ जगह पर ये शुभ दिन सेलिब्रेट करना बहुत बहुत
every person present here has played a part in their life, whether as family, friends, mentor, or companion. Your presence today is not just a gesture of support, but a symbol of the love and community that will continue to surround them in their marriage life. There will be sunshine and laughter, but also storm that tests their strength. Yet as we celebrate their union today, we know that like Miss P.K. Jamatia and from Mr. B.P. Mina have built a foundation of love, trust and respect that will carry them through every challenge ever to exchange both. Let us remember that we have a role in their journey. We are here not only as witnesses, but as a support system, a family of love, always ready to encourage, uplift, and remind them of the growth they make today. So with full heart and joyful spirit, let us move forward with this beautiful ceremony, celebrating the love story of two amazing people who are about to begin the greatest adventure of all marriage. With full heart and joyful spirit, let us move forward with this beautiful ceremony. Our life talent and celebrating each other.
ได้รู้ไหมจะต้องไปครอบครัวฮะไปที่ก็เอาไปอยากเสน่ห์
With all our hearts, may your marriage be filled with joy.